guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm just going to be talking about Animal Company, how I feel about it. So, as you guys know, Animal Company just had their recent zombie updates. And some people like it, some people don't. I, on the other hand, like it, but don't like it at the same time. The only thing I don't like about this is, I don't like how they added extra health on the mobs. I hate that, because now it makes it harder to kill mobs, like way harder. And also, I'm gonna be trying to upload daily for you guys, okay? So let me know how you guys think about Gorilla Tag. It's not Gorilla Tag. Animal Company. If you think I'm wrong, well, that's your opinion, but I honestly just think that they need to add, they need to fix the mods. They need to put the HP back at normal. And also, maybe you should make maybe Animal Company should make the safe zone bigger. That's just my opinion. I just think that you should make it bigger. Oh yeah, go fetch my light. You after that stupid light. Alright, well,
Yo, does anybody want to join the giveaway?
So,
Yo, wait.
what do you guys think? I think that they oh yeah, guys, if you haven't heard, if you don't have the Discord, they're having a lake event pretty soon, so be aware for that. Yeah. I might put some, what is happening to my arm? Hold on, guys, my arm, what the heck? How the heck does Anglerfish know exactly right? Why? Alright, guys, hold on. It's just my controller. Hold on, let me fix something. It's still broken? Alright, well guys, anyways, so yeah. Or just let me know what you guys think about it. What the heck? So guys, yeah, just let me know what you guys think about it. Because I think, personally, it's pretty good, but sometimes it can be bad. Okay, I'm actually serious about it. Just unconnect this controller. What is happening? Alright, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna keep on talking. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna try to ignore this. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say. And if you guys want to see more Animal Company content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like my videos. Just comment down what you think that they should add. Cause I honestly, in my opinion, I think they should add the a zombie skin. I feel like that'd be very nice, because you can maybe trick your friends. Ooh, sounds like a good idea. So then you could trick your friends into thinking that you're a monster. And you could just pull your RPG and just go boom. Like pretend this is me. I'm a monster. Boom. I feel like that'd just be cool, you know? Alright, well anyways, bye guys! Have a good day. See you in another video. Bye.